are now back in Tokyo after our Nagano trip. Arigatou gozaimasu. Hello, papunta kami ngayon sa
Lambert. It's a matcha place. Hindi sobrang busy, pero serves really good matcha daw. Tapos tuck away siya dito sa medyo peaceful street ng Shinjuku.
We just arrived here at Lambert. First time ko magta-try ng Hojicha latte. And si Dee itatry na yung matcha latte. Dito lang kami sa labas kasi fully booked na yung reservation area nila until April. Wala akong expectations kasi hindi ako umiinom ng Hojicha. Ang Hojicha ay roasted matcha. Sarap siya. Ibang-iba yung profile niya from matcha. We are now in Harajuku and sobrang daming tao dito sa Takeshita Street.
Japan ba nandito na?
Pero lahat kasi na major shops nandito rin. I got a foot scan here at A6 sa Harajuku. Ang inaay ko kasi talaga is the Gel Kayano 32. Pero after the foot scan, mas kailangan ko daw ng mas cushion yung priority sa shoes because of the high arch of my foot. So ang nirecommend nila sa akin is yung Gel Nimbus 28. So, itatry ko to. Ito yung kulay na gusto ko. Next stop is New Balance. May nahanap kasi si Dina shoes, which is here. Show it. Dito kami sa random ramen and gyoza place in Harajuku. Gyoza is here. Pag pwede kami mag-share, nag-share lang kami ng food kasi ang lalaki rin ng serving talaga dito. Sabi naman yung strawberries na yan.
Parang hindi to to.
What did you order?
Ordered Dubai Nafe chocolate with
Strawberries.
it's so freaking good.
Show it in the camera.
Sobrang
Sarap.
sarap niya. Like, sobrang tamis no strawberry. Tapos, ang complex ng lasa ng pistachio with Dubai chocolate. It's so good. Like, worth the 2,000 yen.
Kain tayo ulit. We're going to try this conveyor belt na sushi. Yobi. O Yobei. Ano ba sa doon? Ang daming options dito guys and you just have to order it from the tablet. Once ma-place mo na siya, mag-a-arrive na siya and magsa-stop yung conveyor belt right in front of you. This is grilled tuna. So technically, it's Genki sushi. My total bill is 1584. There are my plates. Morning!
Good morning! When we searched online where to buy legit matcha powders, ito yung lumabas. So, we were really happy.
Ang tawag din nila dito sa Sugamo kasi Grandma's Harajuku. So, tignan natin kung bakit. This is the Sugamo shopping street. So, we found one matcha spot. Tignan natin. Wala sila. Okay. Thank you.